Here guys, we are at RD Garage in Garland, Texas. If you live in the DFW, Texas area, I highly recommend coming to this shop for your installations. These guys are super nice and friendly, and they will hook you up. Alright, it's happening guys. We completed our install and now flashing the Phearable Stage 2 tune. It's gonna flash all kinds of lights, but that's pretty normal. I am happy to announce that we hit our goal for the year 2021. My car is pretty much full bolt-on with the exception of the front pipe upgrade, which is going to be a future video. But I am very content with where the build is at so far. I'm happy with the power, happy with how the car is behaving and performing. We are running the Phearable Stage 2 tune as well. Let's go ahead and get started. I went with the MA Performance Cat downpipe. This downpipe really produces a deep tone, and I can hear a lot more pops and bangs in between the shifts. I'm sure you can hear the little acceleration right now. With the downpipe, the car is super loud right now, but luckily it's not raspy at all. Like, the sound quality is just super deep. Even in high RPMs, the car does not sound raspy, which is always a good thing. This downpipe does a lot better job at holding boost in between shifts. Like, I can definitely feel that difference. Let me get that U-turn real quick. So loud. Alright, next item on my list is the PRL turbo inlet pipe. With the inlet pipe, guys, I opted in for the race map housing, just because a lot of people, when they first get the street map, they end up switching to the race map anyways if they want more power in the future. And I just thought that if I'm gonna make that upgrade, I might as well just go with the race map. The race map, you have to get a tune. You cannot run the car without a tune. You can hear the whooshing sound a lot more. Wow. I love this car. Alright, next item on my list is the Phearable Stage 2 tune. Let's talk about how the car feels in different modes. In comfort mode, the car pretty much feels like stock in terms of power and throttle response. However, I feel like the car is shifting much smoother, and there is less turbo lag in between the shifts. So for street drivability, that's definitely a plus. Sport mode, you can feel the difference in throttle response. First and second gear feels almost the same. Third gear, I feel like that's where all the power is. As soon as you change from second to third, you can feel a rush of power, even if you just tap the throttle. Like, it's very touchy. I feel like it's designed to give you the most amount of traction in first and second gear, and then in third gear it gives you a lot of power, so that even if you go heavy on throttle, you're not spinning your wheels, which to me makes sense. And with the Phearable tune, the Honda traction control system is also enabled. ever have to get in the boost when driving around normally. Like, there's just so much power, and because of that, I'm actually getting better fuel economy. Like right now, I'm getting 30 miles to the gallon. That's amazing on a stage 1 full bolt-on car. I don't know what my exact numbers are, but I'm guessing I'm somewhere between 360 to 400 horsepower. It'd be interesting to get on the dyno and get the exact numbers someday. Who knows, I might make a future video doing that. Overall impression, guys, this tune is totally worth it, and I highly recommend it. Whew, guys, this thing is fast, but as you can see, we can check our temperatures now thanks to Hondata mobile app. Our air fuel ratios are fine. IAT2, which is our MAF sensor reading, is 68 degrees. IT is the intercooler temperature, was 87, so the temperatures seem fine. Hard, it keeps pulling and pulling. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. If you like and enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel. I am so close to 100 subscribers. Thank you so much, and I will catch you in the next video.